Eye infections. Introduction. Eye infections commonly cause which of the following symptoms? Choose one of the following options. 1. A pink or red color of the eye or eyelid. 2. Discharge of pus from the eyes. 3. Itching, irritation, or burning of the eyes. 4. All of the above. Correct. Pink eye and conjunctivitis mean the same thing. Select true or false. Correct. Pink eye is the common name for conjunctivitis. Which of the following causes of conjunctivitis results in an eye infection? Choose one of the following. 1. Allergens like pet dander. 2. Bacteria or viruses. 3. Irritants like smoke or smog. Correct. Bacteria and viruses can cause conjunctivitis. The bacteria and viruses cause an eye infection, which causes the conjunctiva to become inflamed. Often a stye needs to be drained for it to heal. Select true or false. Correct. Most styes go away after 5 to 7 days. Using warm compresses, gently scrubbing the eyelid, and avoiding reinfection can help. It is not common, but a very large stye may need to be drained. Contact a healthcare provider if you have symptoms that concern you. All types of keratitis are treated successfully with eye drops and oral medicines. Select true or false. Correct. Most types of keratitis can be treated successfully with eye drops and oral medicines. Other types may be harder to treat. How is trachoma spread? Choose one of the following. 1. Discharge from the eyes, nose, or throat of infected people. 2. Flies. 3. Sharing of clothing or towels. 4. All of the above. Correct. Trachoma can spread in many ways and is very contagious. Thank you for using Explain.